Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so features behave predictably. Sign in with your Apple ID and ensure Mac OS is up to date. This unlocks Apple Intelligence features. Once done, enable Siri and allow required permissions in system settings, privacy, and security. Make sure to open the Apple Intelligence panel so you can toggle capabilities like on-device processing and document access. This first pass gets the system ready and prevents permission blocks later, which saves time when you move into workflow setup. Now configure the meat of the system so it helps your daily tasks. You enable on-device models for speed and privacy, and then selectively grant app access to Mail, Notes, Files, and Safari so Apple Intelligence can read context. Once done, adjust preferences like context window size and data retention. Smaller windows reduce memory use. Larger windows improve accuracy. Make sure to test with a sample email or document so you can observe how suggestions, summaries, and inline help appear and refine permissions accordingly. Finish by using Apple Intelligence in real tasks and iterating quickly. You might ask for a summary of a long email, draft a reply, or have it generate search queries in Safari. Watch where it pulls context so you can refine access. Once done, tweak settings, disable specific app access, or clear history to reset behavior. If things go wrong, restart your Mac, confirm system settings permissions, and reinstall pending Mac OS updates. That typically resolves model stalls or missing suggestions without losing your custom setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.